Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I've already washed and cut my chicken wings. I got a couple blobs of mustard in the bottom of the bowl, as well as some seasoning on top of the mustard. Now I'm going to season on top of this chicken and then smush everything together. I'll be using Louisiana spicy recipe seasoned chicken fry for some crispy, delicious, spicy air fryer wings. And I've also added some, I'll be using my breader shaker bowl. Already got the breading mix in here. I added a little of this Frank's Red Hot seasoning blend to this already seasoned chicken fry, and I added some some pepper and some white pepper. I want it spicy, spicy. Okay, I'll be using my CruxGG 9-quart Trizone air fryer. I'll show y'all. Lower this some more. Right there. Okay. This here. Let me show y'all how to do it. And I line these baskets with foil. They come with these things. 2 of these, and the divider is in here. So what I do is tear off a big sheet of foil, lay this on there, and then press this down in here so that catches the grease. So all I got to do is wash the grate and throw away the foil. Okay? Both sides are like that. So I'm going to plug it in and let it preheat while I'm seasoning my chicken. Okay. Y'all don't never see what I'm doing when I'm doing this. Okay. Press that. Just press dual mode. I'm going to cook on both sides. So I'm going to start with the left side. It's flashing. Air fry. I have to bring the temp up to 450 with this air fryer. 450. Now go to the right side, air fry, bring that up to 450. This is the temp side over here. Okay, stopped. Alright, and I want them to cook for 22 minutes. This is the time side over here. 22, we go over here for the time. 22 minutes. So I'm going to press, start. It open. So it's preheating right now while I finish seasoning the chicken. Okay, I'm going to, like I said, mustard's already at the bottom of the bowl. So I'm using the Stubbs chicken rub. Looks like that. I tried fixing chicken without seasoning the chicken because I was using the seasoned breading. I could tell a difference. Try not to use so much stuff. I'm gonna use this Frank's Red Hot seasoning blend. Even though this ain't hot, it has a good flavor to it. It ain't really hot. It's just good. And I'm gonna put the pepper in it. You can't see it coming out, but it is. smush the chicken. Got these little cheap gloves. So these the kind that come off. So one of my honeys suggested I put a rubber band on my wrist to keep the glove from coming off. And it works. It hadn't crossed my mind. So thank you for the tips, honeys. Okay, now I'm smushing it. And always dry your chicken off first. If you want crispy chicken, whether it's going to be breaded or naked chicken, dry it off before you season it. Wash it and dry it off. And some of y'all don't wash your chicken. Well, I wash mine. And I sanitize later. Okay, everything is nicely seasoned. Get this out of my way. Get this out of my way. This is the breaded shaker bowl I'm using. I'll put the link in my description box. Of course, you can use a Ziploc bag, you can use a brown paper sack, or just a bowl with a lid. Put your flour in there and shake it up. But this has a little cage thing in here to keep the flour separated. Okay, I'm not going to overcrowd this because I want everything to be covered evenly. Okay. Take that off. Hold it good and shake. Hold it nicely. Shake off the excess breading. And just lay your chicken in there. And the chicken don't have to touch, then make it so it don't touch. But it'll still cook if it does touch. You know, I'm putting the drumettes on this side and put the flats on this side. And got real fancy. Forgot which way I was supposed to lay the chicken. You lay it one way, it'll hold more. Let me see, I think it's that way. And I'm not taking the divider out. Okay. Don't thrust this chicken in here. I don't want to touch it. Cut it nicely. Yes, I put mustard on my chicken. and you do not taste the mustard. I had a rude comment the last time I fixed chicken. I said I use mustard even though my husband hates mustard. The point I was trying to make was, you may hate mustard, but you're not going to taste the mustard. You'll just reap the benefits from using it. It has turmeric in it, which is good for you, and has vinegar in it, which tenderizes. It helps the seasoning stick better on the chicken, and it adds another layer of flavor. So that person asked me, was I a bully for putting mustard on the chicken, even though my husband hates it. She asked me, was I a bully? Which I thought was rude. If my husband chose not to eat it, then that's fine. But he don't taste the mustard, so he has no problem with it. Okay. This is hot. Yeah, I sprayed my wings with olive oil. Pull that out from the wall so it don't blister my paint. Okay. So I will be back. I'll be back. Okay, y'all. This is my chicken wings cooked in the CruxGG 9-quart Trizone air fryer. And I used the divider. So I cooked on each side. Nice and crispy. They cooked at 450 for 25 minutes. Okay, I'm going to taste them for you. Oh, I need a thumbnail. Okay, here's my plate. I got the same thing I had the other day when I fixed this. Leftovers. Got some greens, potato salad, and some candied yams. Walter refuses to touch the yams. He don't eat the potato salad either. It's okay, I eat it. Okay, I'm going to taste a piece of chicken for you, flat. I did flip the chicken over. Y'all hear that? Before I even bite it. I'm gonna stop clowning. My chicken is delicious. Taste the drumette. Ooh, it's spicy. Okay. See, I got a paper towel here. The chicken is on the paper towel. I don't want none of this juice getting on my chicken. I need one of them little kid plates. They got the divided sections. I need a big one. Okay. Well, thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the evening. 4:06 p.m. here on Thursday, the 6th. Okay. Bon appetit. Let me get my eat on. Bye.